Welcome to Monday's Financial News Review powered by Centrifex, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest market news and insights.
Apple stock price closed at $203.92 last Friday, rising 1.6% due to strong investor sentiment fueled by positive analyst ratings and optimism around upcoming product launches. Last week, the Dow Jones rose 1.2%, the S&P 500 gained 1.5%, and the Nasdaq Composite climbed 2.2%, with all three benchmarks notching a second straight winning week. Gold prices dropped to around $3,300 per ounce on Monday, marking a third consecutive session of decline, as markets now await another round of US-China trade talks. The British pound traded above $1.35, nearing its three-year high, as investors welcomed stronger UK economic data and a new defense plan. Bitcoin traded at around $105,700, driven by strong investor enthusiasm after crossing the $100,000 milestone and expectations of further gains. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 1:30 a.m., China to release the annual inflation rate for May, following -0.1% in April. At 3 a.m., the balance of trade in China is expected to decrease, after reaching $96 billion in April. At 3 a.m., China will release figures for the annual exports of May, following 8.1% in April. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 12:30 a.m., Australia to release the consumer confidence change for June, following 2.2% in May. At 1:30 a.m., the business confidence index in Australia is expected to decrease, after reaching -1 in April. At 6 a.m., the UK will release figures for the unemployment rate of April, following 4.5% in March.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centrifex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news. We wish you a productive trading week.